Cool hot rod, unique, especially in classics. 1923 Ford Model T bucket, powered by a 350 V8. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 transmission to be exact. Offenhauser intake manifold with the tri-carb setup, 3 Rochester deuces on there. Disc brakes up front, aluminum radiator. Nice combination with the flat black paint and the red highlighted frame and flame pinstripes. Wheels with the beauty rings. Silvertown BF Goodrich wide white walls, radials. If you want to check out the still pictures, you'll be able to see the underside of this, interior close up, every angle of the engine and car. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Interior done in a red and white vinyl. As far as the key for starter switch and headlights right down here underneath the seat. Gauge cluster with autometer gauges. We'll fire this up so you can hear it run at the end of the video, of course. Check it out. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Adjustable coilovers in the rear. Fuel cell, also in the rear. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, parades. And again, all the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. I have it in park. I'm just going to go ahead and fire it up from out here, probably the easiest. So let's reach down. Get an idea how it sounds. And I believe it's running off the center carb. See that lots of times with the tri setups. Turn some heads. Not too crazy though. Good sounding car. 1923 Ford Model T bucket. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description.